Fuck off!
Okay, stupid.
Fuck off! Fuck off!
Lady, shut the fuck up. Stop. Yo, what's wrong with you? Stop. You're actually fucking retarded.
You're not letting me hit her back! She's
Because
hitting
you're
my
fucking
stomach!
retarded, that's why.
You're fucking retarded! Don't fucking touch me!
Stop.
Don't fucking touch me!
Stop.
You come touch me, I will punch you right back. I don't care who the fuck you are.
Yo, lady, just chill out, please.
Yo, stop. I'm calling cop on you, okay?
Please stop. Stop it.
Stop!
Please.
Yo, if you want to do that,
Please. Stop kicking. Stop.
Yo, what are you doing?
No, she's hitting me in the butt. I'm not gonna let her.
Please put that girl down.
Lady, what's your problem? Just
Yo, it's too early for this shit.
Fuck off!
Stop.
lady, obviously you have a problem, so just relax.
She's not even fighting you back, bitch.
Fuck off!
Please stop.
Yo, lady, you need to chill out before you get hit in the face.
Fuck off!
No, you shut the fuck up.
Yo, what are you doing?
Okay?
What the fuck are you doing?
No, what
Fuck
are you doing?
off!
Okay?
Fuck off!
Let go.
No, it's dangerous.
Fuck off!
Okay, so stop. It's intentionally. You take off your key, you take off your umbrella to hit her.
Attention, everyone.
Everyone is okay? Okay. Call the cop. Don't give a fuck.
Actually, don't, because you're going to make us all late for work, bitch. It's too early for this shit.
Don't fuck with me, you piece of shit.
Okay, call.
Oh, back to our regularly scheduled programming.
Let everybody get to work. Call 911, please. Stop being disgusting. Oh my god.
Fuck
Okay.
off!
White bitches be like.
Fucking chink.
What?
What?
What? What? What? What? Nah. Your white privilege ain't working over here, yo. Fuck out of here with that racist shit.
Or at least I didn't swear at you, disrespectful bitch.
Okay, cool. Let me see a doctor holding it.
That shit right now.
Okay.
Attention, everyone.
We call-
After earlier.